Welcome to part 6, and right now we're just going from level 1 to level 2, and we're actually using the thumper, the little thumper, or the rabbit's foot head. It beats real fast, as you can see the ripples in the skin. But it's a good thing. It does not hurt, it just feels good. Like I said, this one moves a lot faster because we're on level 2, and the head contacts the skin not in an aggressive way, but a firm way. As you can see, the more movement as the muscles vibrate. As we're working on those deltoids. Oh yeah. Working on the rib cage. Working on those lats. Teres major, teres minor. You know, those teres, they really get stuck. Oh yeah, work those intercostals. Well, it would be on the external side, but you're still working your rib cage. And you can definitely feel it on the inside when you do this to somebody or somebody does it to you. You will feel exactly what I'm talking about. It's amazing. Right underneath the armpit. Move that arm above the table so you can really scoop in there without any obstruction of the arm. As you can hear the vibration of the massage gun, it's nice and silent, like a suppressor. You can barely hear it, it just hums. And we're working on the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. Right on in the inside. I know you can't see the inside of her butt, but on the sides we actually have little small tiny muscles that connect to our butt, and they're called the minimus and medius. And that's all the muscles that I'm working on, the QL muscles, quadratus lumborum. Let's listen. They're listening to the massage gun and seeing how quiet it is. But we're also talking in the video because a lot of people want to know, what do we talk about in the video? We're just talking about high gas prices, food prices, getting other massages from other therapists who are terrible or suck. And so that, thank God we have massage guns, because people aren't as great as the model. She's also a massage therapist and not as great as me as well. So we need a massage gun. And that's all we're talking about. So I hope it doesn't offend anybody or scare anybody. It's just, this is the way we talk during our sessions. You know, pay all your hard-earned money. It's like, really? I spent $100 for this? I could have bought groceries with this for 2 weeks. Yeah. Depending on what you buy. Like nowadays, groceries are. $6 for a loaf of bread. Man, I want something that's hard. Like, why did I just spend $182 for maybe a little bit over 2 weeks of food? But it's like, it goes by real fast because everything's, pricey. Milk's pricey, cereal's pricey. Eggs have gone up. Yeah. Butter, everything. The necessities have gone up. Yeah. So this one we're going to start off at 3. I'm just going to go 4. See if we can take it. Okay, ready? Not too bad. Okay. Yeah, I like the flatter one. Like it's flatter here, but it's softer. It doesn't have like any hard parts in it. next one. Even around the scapula, see how it doesn't skip or anything, like the bony landmarks. So yeah, this one, they've actually been listening. And it may not be my video, because there's 1,000 something, massage gun videos. But they've been listening, I know that. Like, people have been complaining, like, some things are too hard. Yeah, because this is all the way to level 5, and you can take my mom.
Yeah, that's good, too. It's nice and soft, like you can see it right in the spine.
Aggressive.
Right.
Something that really flushes that lymphatic system. Because some people like light touch lymphatic, which is great after surgeries, after BBLs, to breast lifts, to penis implant, all of this stuff. Because the tissue soft and it could harden. So yeah, you want to go as light as possible to flush the lymphatic system. But to truth be told, the lymphatic system needs, that's why when you work out, that is flushing the lymphatic, because you're actually doing work.
Yeah.
You're squatting, you're lifting, you're swimming, you're running. None of that is gentle and easy. All those exercises are pretty hard.
Yeah.
And so, for a massage therapist, you really got to get in there sometimes to flush certain things out. Some stuff is just stay stagnant if I just keep doing this, trying to move your lymph.
Right, exactly.
The outer part might be working, but
Right, either. I think this one is definitely, this headpiece is really good.
You're a survivor.
Yeah.
So look at the legs and the root. We are done.
Yeah.